He got signed down. He got signed down. Another one down. Bah. Bitch. He got signed down. For real. Carson. They be begging for attention on the internet. Don't you talk that smack shit, I'm not into that. You gotta sell all your diamonds, you gotta pay your tax. You be talking shit, but I'm not bothered, I'm just counting racks. Don't for bullets, boy, but I bet you catch it back. Late nights, I'm alone, it's just me and my strap. Eye bags getting bad, I ain't even got no rest. He's been talking shit, I load up my Glock and I put him to rest. I'm clicking the trigger so much you think I got to rest. Bop, 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 bop. One in his head, one in his back, one in his neck. He was talking shit, now he got cracked. Bah, yeah, he got smacked. You get jumped, you get killed if you are a rat. I can't be fucking with no snitch, we gotta get him clapped. 50 shots to his head, I know his guys ain't got his back. His guys ain't got his back. It ain't shit to squeeze the trigger. It ain't shit to put a pussy boy on a t-shirt. Shots fired at that pussy, now he's screaming he's hurt. I'm hurt. On your knees, come suck my D, I don't care if your knees hurt. That bitch is the one for me, I'm screaming out I need her. That little bitch should keep her, yeah I need her. All the bodies my guys got, I think we need a big hearse. This ain't a freestyle, but at the same time I didn't rehearse. One got bop, one got shh, yeah, lesson relearned. Fuck what you heard. To reveal my past, you gon' need an iceberg. Explain that shit up in an iceberg. ADHD, so hyper. No other girls want bitches, well I prefer. So hyper, I feel like a driller.